two travel items we literally use every single time we travel, and both of them are always in my BAGSMART Blast backpack whenever we head out on a trip. The first is this portable travel door lock. Every time we stay in a hotel, Airbnb, resort, or even a cruise pre-stay hotel, this comes with us. And it takes just a few seconds to install and gives you an extra layer of security and privacy when you're in the room. As a retired police officer, safety has always been something I naturally pay close attention to. Even when we're traveling, I'm always thinking about ways to stay secure and protect our space. So having this extra layer of protection gives me real peace of mind, especially at night when we're sleeping. The second item we never travel without is our portable travel safe. This is perfect for storing things like passports, wallets, cash, jewelry, room keys, even small electronics. My phone fits in it perfectly when we're out and about, or we sometimes take it down to the pool area and then we'll use the cable to lock it around something so that our items are secure right there poolside as well. So whether we're heading to the pool, the beach, dinner, or an excursion, it's nice knowing our valuables are safely locked away. And I place the safe within the hotel safe sometimes, and if the bar, the swing bar is just right, I run the cable through that and double secure it. Honestly, these two items have become must-haves for every trip we take because they help us travel with less stress and a better peace of mind. The best part is they both fit perfectly in my backpack, so they're always with us wherever we go. Pro tip, when you're going through TSA, and I keep it down in the little area for shoes and that at the bottom of the BAGSMART backpack because I don't put my shoes there, I go ahead and I pull that out and put it in the bin, even though I'm going through TSA pre-check. When I left it in the bag, I noted that it was always getting secondary screening because they didn't know what it was. I'm not really sure what putting it outside the bag does, but since leaving it outside the bag, I've never been moved to secondary screening for it. If you'd like to grab either one of these on your next trip, use the affiliate link down below. It doesn't cost you anything extra at all, but it helps us support our channel and allows us to keep sharing travel tips, deals, and inspirations with you. I truly appreciate your support. Safe travels, stay wonder-worthy, and we'll see you on the next adventure.